important part is identify that offset if it's facing up or down, according with your picture.
I can go in there if I want to.
With the piston ring, you compress the rings and you pass the fingers, verifying that the piston rings are fully compressed. Okay. In this particular case, the off is up. Okay. I am going to put them back to the ring. I'm going to introduce the piston. I put oil here and oil in the body of the piston. Look at the tool. The tool have the point not in the middle. It's a little closer. I need the short area touching the block and the open area facing out. Everybody follow me? Okay, and you say it is aligned or papa? Or you say inclined like this or inclined like this? It's good? Okay. Look at this. I need two things. I need to keep the ring in contact with the block. If suddenly the ring is separated, the piston ring expands and the piston no enter. If you try to continue punching, you destroy the piston. Alright? You need that I turn it a little.
The bearing popped out just a little. I have
Okay, you fix it over there. You see? And now
Hang on.
put the bearing
Yeah, it's good.
with plastic, no metal. That's okay? It's coming?
Yeah.
You need to put the cramping outside, as close as you in the back. You know? No here, over there. Ready? Okay. Put the cap, tight a little, and rotate the crankshaft with oil. All the time oiling. All right? Oil. What bearing? Put the bearing. Oil. Tight a little, rotate the crankshaft. Tight a little more, rotate, and continue with next piston and next piston and next piston.